Welcome to my hungry family. We don't make it unless it's delicious. Let's make some barbecue chicken sliders. We'll be using King's Hawaiian rolls, mozzarella cheese, organic chicken, and sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. Boil a pan of water and place in your prepared chicken. Cook thoroughly. While our chicken is cooking, let's chop some bell pepper, onion, and garlic. Don't forget to subscribe. New videos coming weekly. Definitely make sure you stay until the end of the video so you can see the complete list of ingredients and a complete list of cooking instructions for this recipe. Now that our chicken is done, take it out of the water. And pull apart with a fork. Add in our barbecue sauce and mix together. Next, we'll take a pack of Hawaiian rolls and slice in half horizontally. And we'll cut out the number of rolls to fit our baking dish. Now we'll add on our barbecue chicken. And add our onions and bell peppers. Place in our baking dish. Sprinkle on some mozzarella cheese. We're going to sprinkle on some parsley and put the top half of the rolls on. We've got our chopped garlic in a dish with a slice of butter, and we're going to put that in the microwave. And now we'll mix it together to make garlic butter. Now we'll drizzle it on top of the rolls. This will give us a delicious garlic bread topped to our sliders. That's ready for the oven. We'll put it in the oven, bake it for 20 minutes at 350 degrees. Let's see what we've got. Look at that. Yum! If you enjoyed watching this video, please comment below, like, share, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell. We have tons of great content coming, so many recipes, baking, cakes, all kinds of recipes. You don't want to miss it. Now we'll cut them up and serve. Delicious. Try this recipe at home. Let us know what you think in the comments below. Do you like it? Is it delicious? We told you so. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the kitchen next time. And remember, we don't make it unless it's delicious.